What's going on YouTube? Just wanted to give a quick video as to how to fix a rhinestone pattern. There was a mistake. As you can see, one of the rhinestones sitting out of place. I'm going to show you quickly how to correct this in this video. Stay tuned.
Alright, so this is a shirt I did a while ago, a few days ago actually, and it shifted. I was in a hurry, so this shifted, so I'm going to correct that. I'm going to have to take that rhinestone out and put it back in here, possibly with an applicator that I have. And then this one kind of slid to the side as well, so I need to put that back. And once I get that corrected, this one's not looking too good, but I'm going to leave as is, right? I have managed to take this one out, okay, without causing any damage to the shirt. I just used a tweezer and a sharp knife just to take out the glue and pull it out. So now I'm going to use my applicator with one of my applicator tips to put the SS10 rhinestone back in place. Okay. So it says, so these are just a bunch of heads that you can use with different rhinestones for the hot fix rhinestones. And if you look closely, this one says, okay, let's see if we can fit that in focus. But anyway, it says 3mm 10 SS rhinestone. So what you do is it has a screw on. It's got some, you just screw it in place. It's got some thread. Okay, it's got a male thread on this piece, and it's got a female thread in here that will fit once I put it in here. Screw it in place like so. Okay, nice and tight. Okay, and that's the tip. You put the rhinestone on it, and then you put it in place. All right, so let me get that plugged in. All right, so I got that plugged in directly there, and you just push the button on and allow it to heat up for a little bit, and then put the rhinestone on the shirt and then push in for a little bit, and it should stick. All right. Okay, here's my rhinestone. Intricate process. Put that down there, flip it. All right, slide it into place like so. And then get my applicator and apply. Okay, and that's glued on there. Just in my applicator tip, purchased from Amazon. And look at that. Turn it off. It comes with a stand as well, so you can just put that on there so you don't touch your hot surface to your table. And we're good to go. See? Fixed. Just like that.